All right, everyone. Let me see if we are live on X. This needs to go to X as well. Okay, we just have a few minutes to the news. We have few minutes to the news. Let's see what will happen with some of our trades. Congratulations to those of you who took the short trade with me yesterday on gold. And then those of you on Telegram who took the long trade I sent, I shared with you for BTC. That trade is still running as well. That trade is still running as well. Okay, so let's just quickly confirm that everything is working. We just have a few minutes to go with the news. All right, few minutes to go into the news. What will the outcome be like? Let me know. What do you think the outcome for the news will be? Bullish or bearish? What do you think the outcome for the news will be? Is it gonna be bullish or bearish? Are you bullish or bearish? So we just have 6 minutes to go. Okay. Let's see what we can actually achieve with today's NFP. All right. So the best thing to do to be on the safe side, the best thing to do is to, not jump into trades before. Let's see the direction of the market first before we actually jump into trades. Let's see the direction of the market before we start jumping into trades. Do let me know if you are bullish or bearish on what would the outcome be. What would the outcome be and how is it going to affect our trades or affect gold? Currently we are still far above our view up. Far above our view up, and what will it be like? Okay, 5 more minutes to go. 5 more minutes to go, guys. 5 more minutes to go. Are we going to sell off? Our market is going to buy. Are we going to continue to sell? Let's put this on the 55 minutes time frame and see what happens there. Gold is already selling before the news. Okay, gold is already selling before the news. Gold is already selling before the news. Okay. So let's see what happens right here. I guess we are live on X as well, right? We should be. Should be live on X as well. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Yeah. Okay. I think so. No, we are not. We are not. Let me try to fix that, guys. Okay. I don't know what the issue is. This seems not to be responding. Not responding, right? What's going on? Not responding. I guess it's the network issue also. It's not responding. Okay, yeah, we should be live right now. All right. So I think we are fine with X. Let's go back to our chart and see what's going on right there. So let me go back to. Are we good? So for X Factory, refresh the page. Okay, 2 more minutes to go. Yeah, 2 more minutes to go. 2 more minutes to go. So for the NFP and all of that, we are the expected is the forecast there is about 85K. Anything less than this, um, you know, could be what's this? Yeah. Whoa. Sorry guys, just give me a moment. Let me try to fix this. Okay, yeah. I may be having some challenge with my internet connection. Maybe some challenge in my internet connection, but it's fine right now. Yeah, we are. Hmm. Internet connection is actually too slow. My internet is too slow. This can cause trouble for. Hey, when you have a very fast move in the market and you want to take advantage of it with a very slow internet connection, it can actually cause problem for you. I'm trying to cancel some of the pending trades I have so that I don't get taken unaware, right? But it seems not to be working. Seems not to be working, guys. Internet connection is something else. And this, oh god, this. Bybit app is not loading. The app is not loading, and look at that, guys. Market is buying, seriously buying. Okay, what's the result? What's the result? This thing is not loading for me yet. What is the result now? Okay, what's the result, guys? What's the hardcore? My web page is not loading. What is the hardcore? What is that? The hardcore? Oh god, far lower than expected, right? Far lower than expected, guys. The result is far lower than expected. And internet, god, what is going on here? What's going on? Okay, so what I'll just do is wait for a pullback, then we can join, right? We just wait for a pullback and we can join to the upside. Okay, wait for a pullback and we can join to the upside and see what will happen right here. Okay, so let me see if I can go in with a 0.01, 0.01, and I'll add to my position if we start pulling back, maybe around that 320, 4,320, 326 or thereabout. Okay, internet is dealing with me here. That's just the problem I have right now. My internet connection is something else, guys. Ah, the Bybit app is not even loading. That's just the challenge right now. The Bybit app is not opening because that's where I trade. That's where I trade. And yeah, for gold, for both forex, crypto, and all of that. As I trade on Bybit, so and I think they are giving out $1,000 airdrop. They are giving us $1,000 airdrop to everybody using their platform. You can see that BTC2 is equally, yeah. Let me see for NAS100. Okay, this is equally pushing up. This one too is above VWAP. And BTC, let's see what happened there. Oh god, internet is something else. My internet connection is something else. That's just the challenge I have right now. Internet can't let me do a fast one on the market, but just be patient. Be patient. Don't rush into the market. Yeah, we just need a pullback and see what will happen for us to start pushing it up. Okay. The numbers came far lower than expected, so gold would definitely be shooting up. Gold would definitely be shooting up. So let me get some good entries for you guys. Just give me a moment. Let's use our Fibonacci 2 to map out areas here. For let's use our Fib 2. Let me get you. Internet is something else, guys. The internet is the only challenge I have right now. I don't know if from your end you can even hear me. I don't know if from your end you guys can even hear me clearly. Right? Whatever it is, I'm just going to try to set up the chat and share some entering setups with you guys. So yeah, definitely we have to wait for a pullback, right? We have to wait for a pullback to these are Fibonacci levels to continue for a continuation to the upside. Hopefully, maybe gold will continue to push to maybe gold pushes up to maybe around 4,300, 400 or above that. Ah, God, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Okay, the way it is right now, we'll start looking for buy trades. I just want to see the reaction, maybe from our 23.6% level or the area of you know 38.2 or even down to that 50% level, right? Or even down to that 50% level. That's what I'm just expecting right now. A market can pull back to those zones, then we can start looking for trades from those areas to the upside. Not to talk of the golden level. So let's just wait and see. Right now the market is consolidating. Even if we use the viewer, which is lining up with that our 38.2% level, right? It is the viewer up and all of that. We'll see how everything will play out. So let's see. Let's see the reaction we get before we jump into a trade. Let's see the reaction we get from here before we jump into any trade. Yeah, let's see what happened right here. 23 or 38. Which one should we go with? 23 or 38? 23 or 38? $23 or 38? And that's the challenge I'm facing right now. Internet connection is what's my biggest challenge right now. Can you guys even hear me clearly? Someone let me know in the comment section if you can hear me. Let me know in the comment section if you can hear me clearly, because all right, so 20 view can't even load. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, we didn't get the pullback to the level I was looking at, but we just have to be patient, right? Maybe from now to the New York section, no need to rush. There's no need to. From now to the New York section open, so let's just see what happens between now until the next few minutes when the New York section will open. Let's see what happens, right? So I just need to keep adjusting this until we get a better entry for. I'm looking for a long trade. I'm not. There's no right now. I just wait for a pullback and long. There's no need to rush into shorting the market at the moment. If you don't want to get burnt, wait for a pullback and look for a long trade. Okay. So all we just need to do is wait for a pullback to enter a trade, a long trade. Let's see if we can hit before the market close for this week. Let's see if we can hit 4,400 or above that. 4,400 or above that, guys. And it can really mess you up. Yeah, if market continue to push, definitely as the New York section opens, we are taking out this, so which is around that 380. But I want to see if if the momentum is strong enough, if we can actually if we take out that, then maybe the next level we'll be looking at is 4,500, right? 4,500, and it goes up 4,500 or even 4,600. Well, let's see if we take out, we get to 4,400 before the close of market today, or even that 4,500. Yeah, but we need to look for an entry, which is what I'm waiting for. An entry to take a long trade. Entry to take a long trade is what I'm waiting for, guys. Entry to take a long trade to the upside. Let's see what the New York section will give us before the close of market. Those guys can actually come in and start selling. Alright, so we just have to be patient, right? We have to be patient until we get a good entry. So if you check gold, right, from when we break out of this $200 level, on the 4 hours time frame, let me go back down to the 4 hours. Yeah, this is the first level I was looking at, the order block, which is the area that was respected, and market has actually been pushing up from there. This other level I was waiting for market to come retest. Market never got there, so right now we just need to wait on the lower time frame, wait for a pullback using our fib levels to see where we can enter a trade up. So I'll keep adjusting that until I get something better. I'll keep adjusting that until I get a good entry. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I go keep doing his own thing. Let me quickly check other pairs. I'm going to be at the New York section open, so we'll definitely get a good setup. Definitely get a good setup. So let's see what happens before the New York section. From that to the New York section open. Let's see what happens. Okay. So what I'll be doing right now, from now till when the New York section open, the next area of concentration will be somewhere around this zone, right? That's why I'll be concentrating and seeing what we can achieve from there. But let's just watch and see what happens. By the way, still holding BTC from yesterday. The BTC long trade I shared with you guys yesterday, I'm still holding. So I'm still holding, not falling. And then for NAS100, now we're looking to short this yesterday, and I actually missed the trade because I was looking to take a long trade from 29 around 29 100, but that didn't play out, so I had to cancel the setup. Now market is pushing back up. So for NAS, uh, my preparation for NAS 100 will be against next week. Yeah, will be against next week. So I'm going to be focusing on gold to see how I can get a good entry to the upside. So in the next New York section opens in the next few minutes. Hmm. Patience, be patient, be patient, be patient. Patient. Let's watch the market patiently until we get our entry. market is something else. So. What will it be like? What would the near section be like? We're going to continue up or down. We're going to continue to go up or going down. What's wrong with my internet today? What is wrong with this internet today? What's wrong with this internet today? Oh God. All right. So let's see what happens now. Patient. Just be patient. Okay, are we respecting that? Golden zone, are we going to respect that? Are we going to respect that zone there? Are we going to respect that zone and start moving up, start pushing up? Okay, not yet. Should we? Should we? Hmm. All right, not yet. That level is not it, so not yet. I think we should stick to the main fib level. This one. Stick to the main fib level. Patiently waiting for the Friday morning. The Friday money to use as, and right now it seems that the upper band of VWAP, can it hold as a support? Upper band of VWAP, can it hold as a support? Can it hold as a support? Uh, can that VWAP hold us as a support? Can we get a trade from there to the upside? Is it possible to get a trade? Mm. Mm. Gold. Right now, I just feel, it's weekend, so there is need for. Let me check what's RSI saying. What is RSI saying? Let's see. Good. Can you respect this level here? Let me even check my other block indicator and see what happens. Mm. Yeah, good. We still need to push down there. From the look of things, are you sure we'll not be selling gold to the view up here? Are you sure we'll not be selling gold that view up? If you trade a pullback, then that is an opportunity for you. That's an opportunity for you. Few more minutes into the New York section market open. Few more minutes to go. Market is, oh God, very boring kind of. All right, that's a moment. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. From the look of things, I think gold. I don't think gold has all it takes to start pushing up again the way it's going. Right? I don't think that gold has all it takes to move up again. So we need to start looking for a sell. Maybe we start pushing back up to this level. That would be a good area to start looking for a sell. Right? A stop loss above. And then we can start targeting from here down, even down to the view app. Even down to the view app. Let me see if I can start selling right there. And my targets will be in between, and maybe down to around this level of 4,280. 4,280. Let's see what happens right here. Mm. Let's see if we can push up there, and that will be the level where we're looking to sell. Alternatively, we can use a fib level as well. Anything around that zone of 4,360 up there. Okay, let's see how this plays out. If we get entry here, then we can target gradually even to that level. But our first target will be maybe 330 or so. 330. Let's see how that plays out. All right, so gold. Can we push it up there and sell it back? Can we push it up and sell back? All right, with that on gold, let me quickly look at NAS100. Yeah, didn't really push up the way I expected it to. Good. Push it up, push it up, push it up. Let's see. Can our patience pay off? Yeah. We've been patient with the market for a very long time looking for setup. Let's see if the New York will help us achieve this. Oh, what's going on? Push this thing up there now. that section do for us right now? Okay. Yeah. Okay. They're going to be buying gold or selling. Let's see the reaction we get in the next 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. All right, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens from here. We're in that trade already. New York. Can we sell this off? Let's sell for the weekend, okay? And then we'll continue to pump again. These guys, let's see if they can even push it above the previous high, this high here of 380. 4380. Let's see. Yeah, push it, baby, sell it off. You know, sell it off, baby. Sell it off, baby. Let's push it slowly down, 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 down. Good, good, good. The reaction I'm looking for, I'm not getting it actually. The reaction I'm looking for, I'm not getting it. But let's patiently wait. Let's patiently wait. The first 1 hour of this New York market opened. Let's see what happened. Push it, baby. 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 Good. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. See, I really want to tell you my day well. Market is really indecisive right here. This market is very indecisive right here. It doesn't want to push downward. Market is very indecisive right now, guys. Very indecisive right now, guys. Okay. So from the look of things, this trade may not be going in our favor. Yeah. This trade is okay. All right. I think at this point, go God is not really gonna. God is likely gonna sell, but there's a possibility that we go clear that liquidity at that 4,380 or thereabout before he continues to sell. So yeah. Yeah. In the next 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so from the look of things, this is not gonna go the way we expected it to. All right. So in 40 seconds, that 15 minutes candle closes, and you know, and even if gold will need to go down, we still need it to come break out of this level right here. Right? Gold should break below this 4,348, 349. Yeah. So I'll be calling it off here. So I will leave this trade to his fate. Either he goes in our favor, he goes and his stop loss, right? Okay. Yeah, either as long as we take out this 350, if we go below 350, then we can now be looking for a long trade. You go break below tip 350, then we'll succeed in this trade. But if it doesn't, if it comes and bounce up here, then there's a possibility that this is going to hit stop loss. All right. So if we respect here, there's a possibility we'll go further. But if it comes there, okay, we reject maybe this way, then we can actually start going down. Let's see if we can break below. If we break below, fine. But if not, then market is going to go up. Let's see what happened right there, guys. Gold is not, this stuff is not ready to. I just want it to come break below this level so that we see. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. Still waiting patiently for this to break. All right, we still need to go lower. We still need to go lower, break that level, and then maybe we can add to our position by selling to the downside. Okay, so gold seems to be very annoying right now. I'll call it off here. I'll let this trade run. As I said earlier, if it breaks below, then I will add to my positions. But if not, we'll let it hit stop loss and we'll call it a day here for this weekend. For this week, see you next week. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys in my next live stream.